Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Xbox Game Pass via Microsoft Store step by step clearly. Open your Xbox console or PC. Navigate to the Microsoft Store app. In the search bar at the top, type Xbox Game Pass. Press the Enter key or click on the search icon. From the search results, find Xbox Game Pass. Click on the Xbox Game Pass option to open its page. You will be directed to a subscription page. Choose your preferred subscription plan. Review the details of the plan you selected. Click on the Next or Continue button. If prompted, sign in to your Microsoft account. Enter your Microsoft account email and password. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once signed in, confirm your payment details. You can choose to use a credit card or PayPal. Review your purchase information carefully. You will receive a confirmation message once your subscription is successful. You can now start accessing games on Xbox Game Pass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.